Guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. When I was a kid, we grew up as a child. My parents taught printing at a Bible school, and some of the college students did not even know, which doesn't mean in a bad way, because sometimes there's a lot of things I don't even know, how to fry an egg. So there's no shame in that. So I want to talk to you about that today, because I think that might help some of you. So I'm going to just be real basic with this, and this might help you. So this is what I do. First of all, you want to get a good pan. You don't want a kind of pan that things are going to stick to. Okay? So then I put in some butter, margarine. Butter's best, margarine second, oil, if that's all you got. Then I put my eggs in. I crack them over the side of the pan. Put some salt and pepper on them because that's how I like them. But this is how I make them so they're not runny. You know, I have them at a kind of like a medium temperature. These probably are frying up a little bit faster because every stove is a little different. But what I do is I make sure there's no white. Like, see how that's like a little gooky? I kind of do it like that. But I want them so I can dip my toast in them. We used to call them dippers when we were kids. Okay, I just broke that one because I'm filming. But anyway, what I guess what I do is I put my eggs here. And then once I flip them, which I'm going to do in a second, maybe not on film, maybe off film, but when I flip them, I might do them on film, this one, since I already broke it. This is fine because I'm going to do this quick. When I flip it, I put my toast down, right then. So my toast will be done at the same time as my eggs. And it's really basic to fry eggs, but you know, sometimes if maybe your parents worked a lot, maybe you never knew, maybe you're going through a divorce, maybe your mom didn't teach you to cook and you're a girl, you know, doesn't matter. But that's how I fry eggs, and I hope that helps you. This one will come out perfect once I flip it, but I'm going to get off here first. But, you know, anyway, here you go. I hope this helps you, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.